Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the expression inside the absolute value and solving where it equals 0. These roots split your x-axis into intervals. Once found, label the intercepts and any vertex candidates so you have reference points. Next, on each interval, remove the absolute value by choosing the sign. If inside is positive, keep f, x. If negative, use f, x. Make sure to write the simplified expression for every interval before plotting. Now you graph each simplified piece on its corresponding interval. Treat them as ordinary functions and draw only where that interval applies. You will often reflect parts that were negative by flipping them above the x-axis. Draw with correct slopes and intercepts. Once done, check that the pieces meet at the split points. If the original value at a point was 0, both pieces coincide. Make sure to use solid dots for included endpoints, and no dots. Finish by confirming the full graph is the absolute value of the original. Every y is non-negative, and each interval matches the simplified form you plotted. Once done, test a couple of x values in the original absolute expression to confirm plotted y values. This catches arithmetic or sign errors. If something looks wrong, pause and reevaluate which intervals had positive versus negative inside values and recompute slopes and intercepts. A single sign flip usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.